My name is Amir Abdul-Jabbar. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Swedish Neuroscience Institute, specializing in spinal care. Every spine patient is different, and I'd like to cater my care to each individual. Some people have very emergent, very serious problems. Some people have things that can be watched over time, and we can talk more about the surgery and how to best approach it. For any patient that's going to have surgery, there's a multitude of different imaging modalities that we use. Some patients need very extensive CT scans and MRIs, whereas other people, we know most of what we need to know just from a plain X-ray. And each person review those images very detailed manner and make sure that we're all on the same page with the right plan and we don't leave any bases uncovered. At Swedish Neuroscience Institute, we have a very unique situation because we have people that are from all different parts of the spine field, and we work in a hospital that's very motivated to produce the best patient care. It's very few places, I think, that have all those things together under one roof. We have continuing medical education for other practitioners. We have education for people that are in their training, and we continue to educate new spine surgeons every year with our fellowship program as well. When you see patients improve and have a better lifestyle and more functionality, then it really makes it meaningful to me. And I really feel lucky to be able to work with patients and have them allow me to take part in their care.